morning, my dear lovely kids. Let's learn, let's enjoy. Today we are going to learn about shapes. Yes, shapes. Yes, kids, have you seen a train? Yes, so tell me what is this? Yes, this is a shapes train. This is a shapes train. So many shapes are here. Okay, first I will tell you the name of each and every shape. After that, I will explain you about these shapes one by one. Okay, which shape is this? Circle. Tell the name of this shape. Circle. Okay. And this one? Square. Tell the name of this shape. Square. Very good. Triangle. Which shape is this? Triangle. And this one? Rectangle. This one? Rectangle. So, today I will tell you about a circle shape. Which shape? Circle. Okay, again we will revise the name of shape. Circle, square, triangle, rectangle. Now you will speak. Circle, square, triangle, rectangle. Very good. So kids, let's have fun with shape circle. Which shape is this? Circle. Okay. Tell the name of this shape. Circle. Circle is in round shape. Circle is in round shape like a ball. Ball is in round shape. Ball is in round shape. Bangle. See the bangle? Bangle is in round shape. What is this? Biscuit. Biscuit is in round shape. Have you seen the sun? Yes, sun is in round shape. See the wheels of train. Wheels of train are in round shape. Wheels of train are in round shape. Round, round. So kids, now we will sing a song and you have to sing a song with me. I am a shape. I am a shape. My name is Circle. My name is Circle. You can see me everywhere. You can see me everywhere. I am round. I am round. Round, round, round. I am round. Round, round, round. I don't have any side. I don't have any side. I just go round, round, round. I just go round, round, round. I am a circle. I am a circle. You can see me everywhere. You can see me everywhere. I am a circle. Let's have more fun with shape circle. Okay, I am going to tell you how can you draw different pictures with the help of shape circle. So let's start. Tell me, what is this? Yes, this is a smiley. So you can draw smiley also with the help of circle. Okay, now tell me, what is this? Yes, yes, tell me. Yes, this is a lollipop. Do you like it? Yes. So you can draw a lollipop with the help of circle also. What is this? Yes, tell me, tell me. Yes, sun. Tell the color of sun. Yes, yellow. Sun is in yellow color. And you can draw the sun with the help of circle. Now tell me, what is this? Yes, this is a ball. Do you like to play with it? Yes, you can draw a ball with the help of circle. So you can draw so many things with the help of circle. Okay, let's start with smiley. First you have to take a white sheet. Okay, after that you have to take a cutout of a big circle. And you have to put some Fevicol on the back side of circle. Okay, now we will put the circle here. Okay, now you have to paste it. Okay, now we will draw eyes. Okay, first you have to draw oval shape like this. Yes, like this. You have to draw two eyes and half curve like this, and this curve you will fill it. Okay, again you will draw curve and fill this part. Okay, now you have to draw three eyelashes. 1 2 3. 1 2 3. Okay, now we will make a lips like this. Okay, now I am going to tell you how to draw a ball with the help of two dots. Okay, you will don't take any object to draw anything. Just you have to draw with free hand. Yes, you have to draw a circle with free hand. Okay, you will start from this dot. Like this, you have to draw a circle and join with dots. Okay, now you have to make S shape like this. Again, you have to make S shape. Yes, like this, you have to draw a ball. Okay, now I will tell you how to draw a lollipop. Okay, two dots are here. Start from first dot and make a curve and join with this dot. Okay, now join with second dot. Okay, now you have to make S like this. Like this, you have to make S. Now you have to make standing line. One more standing line and join it. Okay, what is this? Lollipop. Okay, now I will tell you how to draw a sun. Two dots are here. Start from first dot and make a curve and join with this dot and join with second dot like this. Okay, now you have to make circle for eyes, small circle for eyes. Make 3 eyelashes. Okay, now you have to make lips like this. Now we will draw a raise. First you have to make standing line, big standing line, then you have to make small standing line. Okay, big standing line, small standing line, 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 big standing line, small. Okay, now you have to complete it. These are rays. Now complete the sun. Small standing line, big standing line, small, big. Okay, this way you will complete the sun. Okay, what is this? Sun. Okay kids, now we will do color. Okay, which is your favorite color? In the bowl you can do any color. Okay, first you have to do boundary line. Okay, first you have to do boundary line and do it very neatly and slowly. Okay, first you have to do the boundary line like this. Okay, you can do any color. Okay, like this. First you have to complete the boundary line. Okay, after that you will complete lollipop. Okay, in lollipop you can do any color. Okay, first you will start from the boundary line. Okay, first you will do the color in the boundary line. Okay, now tell me, what is the color of sun? Yes, tell me what is the color of sun? Yellow. So in the sun you will use yellow color. Okay, in the sun you will use yellow color. Okay, first you will do the boundary line and do it very neatly and very slowly like this. Okay, now you have to complete it and in the same direction you will do the color. Okay, now you have to complete it very neatly. So kids, today you have learned how can you draw so many pictures with the help of circle, smiley face, lollipop, sun, ball. Now you have to do practice of these pictures. Thank you.